Sairam students, in this session we will be discussing about the science project. As you know that you will be getting the summer vacation, so this project you have to complete during this summer vacation. Now let's have a look on what project you have to make. And the topic of the science project is make a spin wheel which represents the nutrient and the deficiency disease caused due to the lack of this nutrient. And this topic is from chapter number 2, components of food. As in chapter number 2 I have explained you about the different nutrients and their sources and the different functions they perform in a body. Even I have explained you about diseases caused due to the lack of these nutrients are known as deficiency diseases. Here children, in this project we will make a spin wheel which represents the nutrients and the deficiency disease caused due to the lack of these nutrients. And children, to do this project, materials required are 2 circles of radii 12 cm and 10 cm of different color papers, then paper pin, or if you don't have paper pin then you can use instead of that screw, then eraser, markers or sketch pens and scissor. Now we will see how to make spin wheel of nutrients and the diseases caused due to the lack of these nutrients. To make this spin wheel, the materials required are 2 circles of radii 10 cm and 12 cm of different color papers. Here I have taken white color and orange circular paper sheets which I have taken from old file which I want to discard. Then we require a paper pin and an eraser to fix this paper pin, then few markers and a scissor. Students, if you don't have 2 different color papers to make circles, then you can make circles from plain white color paper and then color one of the paper using crayon colors. Here I have done the same thing. Even you can use cardboard to make circles and then color them with different colors. Now children, we will see how to do or how to make spin wheel with the help of these 2 circular sheets. First step to make the spin wheel is we have to fold both these circles one by one to get 8 equal parts. Let's see how I am doing now. Yes, like this. First we have to fold it to half, then like this, then one more fold will do children, like this. So we'll get 8 equal parts, isn't it students? Similarly we'll make 8 equal parts of this circular sheet also. First we'll fold this like this. Any waste paper children you can take to make circle. Even if you are not having any thick paper like this, you can use your drawing notebook paper sheets also. Now children, see, can you see this 8 equal parts to this bigger circle also, and now smaller circle. Now what we'll do, we'll keep these 2 circles one above the other, and then we will take this paper pin and we will put this at the center of these 2 circles, and to fix this we'll use eraser like this, so it gets fixed over here like this. See children, now here we have done with the spin wheel and this rotates like this. Now next step is to draw the lines with the help of the scale. I am doing this and I am taking black color marker to draw the lines. See, like this you have to draw the line. Now I am sticking this arrow in any one of the column in the inner circle, and in front of this arrow I will write nutrients. Like this. Then children, here in exactly opposite column of this arrow, here we are going to cut a window like this. See, I am drawing here the area that which we need to cut here. So here I am going to cut a window. Now see, with the help of this scissor you can cut like this. Now children, I'll give this window as a shape of a car with the blue color marker like this. See, here I am drawing the wheels of the car, and here head of the car. Isn't it? It is looking nice now children. And now here we'll write deficiency diseases. Yes, now this car will tell us the different deficiency diseases due to the lack of the particular nutrient. Now we'll start first. What we will do, in the outer circle we will write the names of the nutrients. For example, first I'm writing here vitamin A. And A I am writing with this red color marker, vitamin A, like this. Then next column I'll write vitamin here I'll write B1 like this, vitamin B1. Then in the next column I'll write vitamin C. Then next column, which vitamin will come children? Vitamin D. Yes children, in the lesson we have studied about the deficiency disease of vitamin A, then vitamin B1, vitamin C, vitamin D, and next we have studied about the minerals. Deficiency of mineral, first I'll write here calcium. Yes, now next, in the next column I'll write iodine. And the last column on the white paper I'll write iron. Now children, here I have written all the names of all the nutrients. And now next step is to write the deficiency disease caused by due to the lack of this nutrient. Now what we will do children, this arrow I will move it to the vitamin A here like this. Now here is the empty space. In this empty space, what you will write? The disease which is caused due to the lack of vitamin A, and that is night blindness. So in this column I'll write, what I'll write? The disease caused due to the lack of vitamin A, and that is night blindness. So I'll write here night blindness. Yes. Now again I will rotate this arrow to the vitamin B1. Yes, and due to the lack of vitamin B1, the disease caused is beriberi. So right here, beriberi. Now again I will rotate this arrow to the vitamin C, and here the disease caused due to the lack of this vitamin C is, yes, you know all children what is the disease, and that name of the disease is scurvy. Yes. Now again we will rotate this to arrow to the vitamin D, and deficiency disease caused due to the lack of vitamin D is, yes, rickets. So I'll write here in the window rickets. Next again I will rotate this arrow and I'll come to the minerals, and that mineral is calcium. And due to the lack of calcium in our body faces which all problems, children? Which all diseases? Yes, tooth decay and yes, weak muscles, or we can say weak bones. So here we have written the disease caused due to the lack of calcium. Now I'll turn this arrow to the iodine, and due to the lack of iodine in our body, or we can say that due to the lack of iodine nutrient in our body, we will face, or we will get the disease, deficiency disease, that we call as goiter. So I'm writing here goiter. And you know, children, due to this goiter, the muscles below the neck, it gets swollen over there. Now I'll rotate this window to the iron, and this arrow is there to the iron. Now here in the window I'll write the deficiency disease due to the caused due to the lack of nutrient iron is anemia. Now children, here we have completed this spin wheel. See, like this, wherever the arrow moves, children, we can see the disease caused due to the lack of that nutrient. See, for example, here arrow is on vitamin A, and the disease or deficiency disease caused due to the lack of vitamin A is night blindness, like this. Then if I rotate this wheel to vitamin B1, yeah, so the disease caused due to the lack of vitamin B1 is beriberi. Then next, if I move this arrow to vitamin C, then here the disease caused due to the lack of vitamin C is scurvy. Next again, if I move this arrow to the vitamin D, then the disease caused due to the lack of vitamin D is rickets. Like this, if we rotate this arrow, then we'll come to know that the deficiency disease caused by that particular nutrient. Next, to make this project attractive, you can stick stars or stickers or any attractive material over there. Here I have stick the pictures of some fruits which I have, and that cutouts I have stick over here. Children, this spin wheel project will help you to learn and remember the names of disease caused due to the lack of a particular nutrient. You can play this as a game with your parents or with your friends or with your brother or sister. Keep ready this project in your summer vacation. Take the photo of this project, and regarding submission, your class teacher will inform you how to do that. I hope children all of you have understood this project very well. I hope children this video gave you a proper idea to how to make this spin wheel project. So children, I am ending today's session over here. Goodbye children.